Hi everyone, I'm Jordan, one of the customer success managers here at GoLinks, and today I wanted to show you a new feature we have within Slack using GoLinks within Slack DMs. So if we come to the dashboard, we're going to enable it and then I will show you how it works. If you're on the dashboard, go to the integrations tab on the left hand side and you'll see that it says new. When you're in here, you will see the Slack that it has a new update and it will show you that it is on for public channels and off for DMs. With this new update, makes it so that way you can send GoLinks and multi-links within private messages and they will hyperlink. So you don't have to copy and paste anymore, you don't have to manually hyperlink them. On the settings tab, you'll see that there's the regular settings and then there's a new configuration to turn GoLinks on for DMs. Note that you have to authorize this to be able to give access. It's not going to do automatically. You have to enable it by yourself. I want to show you what it looks like without this setting. So I have a message to myself. Let's say that I want to send a GoLink and I do not have this enabled. It's not going to hyperlink. It's going to just be the GoLink that it normally is without any redirect. Once I enable this feature, I will go ahead and say turn on for my GoLinks. It will ask to give authorization. I'm going to allow. All right, and then you'll see that it says enabled. You can disable this at any time, but now that it says enabled, I'm going to go back and I'm going to type in that same GoLink and it will hyperlink. So this makes it so that way when you, the individual, send the GoLink, it will hyperlink. Everyone on your team will need to enable this for themselves, so that way when they send GoLinks, they will hyperlink as well. But this is a really great feature, so that way we can take away that copy and pasting in DMs, and you now have everything within a click of a button. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support team for more.